Hello and welcome to Bruce's Bit, and I am your host Bruce. Boy, have I bitten a chunk out of the environmental cookie today. Climate change. You know, with all the images and pictures piped through the TV of how our species are responsible for global warming, with our arrogant and wasteful use of fossil fuels, not to mention our wholesale clearing of forests, so our ever-growing population can occupy and grow food on it. With images of ice packs melting in the North and South Poles, resulting in large sections of wildlife facing annihilation, all paints the most frightening of pictures, with good reason too. While some stories are stretched out of proportion, or others omit certain facts, for the most part, a lot are quite credible and true. The bone I have to pick about it is what has not been given enough airspace. In short, 1. From all I've researched, it would seem we are still coming out of the last ice age, so the Earth is naturally warming up. And 2, it's our excesses and pollution that are speeding up and magnifying a process which would normally take a few hundred years, not decades, to get to this point. All I intend to do is present the facts as I've interpreted them from studies by scientists, geologists, and various climate experts. My love of ancient worlds, paleontology, etc., has led me to research Earth's history over many millions of years. In doing so, I've found our planet has experienced these climatic swings many a time before. The difference being then volcanic activity, global forest fires, or the odd asteroid impact were the culprits. But first things first. For us to usually get an idea of what's going on, we need to think outside of the circle, to coin a phrase. Usually reality for us revolves around what we experience in the here and now. So, to get a general idea of what we're talking about, let's take an example to help set the scene. Can you imagine Earth covered from pole to pole in wondrous rainforests and no ice caps? Or a time when air had so much oxygen damp wood could burn easily and insects like dragonflies could grow the size of seagulls? Food for thought, isn't it? These two examples are torn from the pages of Earth's history. And had we been alive at any one of those times, it would be almost impossible for us to imagine the Earth as anything else. Thank you for watching part 1 of Climate Change, a man-made disaster, or just the natural rhythm of Earth. In part 2, we'll have a look at how natural climate change, well, or without it, species like our own would not be.